Dr. Bruns here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a floss band to do resisted exercises in the doorway. Now these bands are commonly used to wrap up an extremity like an ankle or a wrist, really tight like an ace bandage almost, to get better blood flow and mobility. I still recommend that in appropriate cases, but I also like it for resistance. So to use it in the doorway, tie a knot in the middle of it. That will create an anchor point for you to lodge in the door. Now this will hold tight, and make sure when you close the door that it latches all the way and is firmly closed so it doesn't fly open when you pull on it. Now you can use it for face pulls, which is great for external rotation of the shoulder, so a good rotator cuff exercise, good for the neck as well. Depending on what your interest is and your injury severity, you can use it for tricep pull down on both sides. Now I'm getting actually pretty good resistance there, where I can pull against it. You can modify this way depending what your recovery goals are. You can also use it for some diagonal chops, and that's good for torso resistance. Change the angle to open up access to more muscle groups. You can do the traditional elbow to the torso external rotation for shoulder rotator cuff recovery. You can do full torso rotations with this anchored in. Now I'm challenging my core. I always recommend doing both sides for any exercise for symmetry. If you had it anchored into the floor, you could use it for bicep resistance. A lot of versatility there. You can even loop it the other way, close that in, and now have a loop for resistance. You can access hip and lower extremity exercises that way too. That's a quick conceptual breakdown of how you tie the knot, anchor into the door, and use the elastic for different resistance exercises. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.